What it means to be a business is changing.
And so though you've experienced change in your business before, this is a new beast. And AI is a tool to be able to handle that rate of change.
I'm here with Allie K. Miller, one of my favorite AI leaders.
In my view, when it comes to making sense of the impact of AI at work and beyond, the most compelling voice on LinkedIn is Allie's.
I started in AI nearly 20 years ago. In my work at AWS, I was running the machine learning strategy for 400,000 global startups. The biggest thing that I'm seeing is that these top companies are not just building AI products, right? It's not just the frosting on the cake. It is literally baked into the flour of the cake. Machine learning is at the core of everything that they're doing.
So there's this move toward an AI-first business. You cannot just have the executives sitting in this wonderful room hearing what is happening in AI. Everyone in your company needs to know.
We've seen this for years before. The difference is the speed and scale. In the world of image recognition, I can label, you can label, he can label, whether something's a zebra or a train or a hot dog, but AI can do 10,000 plus labels in a minute, right? So it's not just performance, it's speed. And right now is the inflection point.
And I was lucky enough that my parents happened to pick a name that has AI in it. Are you kidding me? Basically born for this job.
This is all about moving AI upstream, right? So it's not just this last mile where you kind of sprinkle it on the end. It's not that frosting. How are you as a next-gen business growing your revenue and not just cutting costs?
Use it as a tool to augment. It is not a silver bullet.
This startup, when they have a 30-minute meeting, they actually meet for 25 minutes. AI is recording that entire call. At the very last part of that 25 minutes, AI summarizes the meeting. AI gives a set of financial questions that they didn't consider, legal considerations that they hadn't yet thought through. Right? There's this additional safety net that startups are already implementing into their processes and workflows that is unlike anything I'm seeing in the Fortune 500 space. These insights mean absolutely nothing unless you can take advantage of it and move it into your business.
This transformation is a people problem and not a tech problem. You know, there's a new study that was being done on radiologists and their adoption of AI. And they found that AI actually outperformed 2/3 of the radiologists in their ability to diagnose accurate diseases. Well, guess what? They then combined AI plus humans, and the performance was worse because those radiologists weren't in the design of the system and weren't educated on the system and didn't understand the trade-offs or when to trust it or when not to trust it. So, you know, I think that the people component is going to catch a lot of people by surprise. I've now worked on hundreds of AI implementations, and that is always the surprising bit. It'll be a combination of AI literacy, combination of subject matter expertise that really bring folks into a much stronger transition.
Because the world of business is going to look completely different in 5 years, and you need to have partners on your side that know how to handle that today.